Now, honorable members, there is another supplementary item, that is the payment of bonus amendment bill 2015. If the House agree, we can pass it without, because it is affecting the laborers, our workers.
I just want to say
Yeah.
that since this piece of legislation is for workers,
Yeah.
while supporting that, but at the same time I would also, lodge this protest that this is not way of bringing the business after every half an hour and for just pass and then. This is not the way. But since had this not been supporting a large number of millions of our workers, we would have not allowed this.
But you are allowing it, okay.
Sir, I already said if it's bringing this bill, I will not oppose it because it's the bonus for the workers. Though I also said that, sir, we are not satisfied with the quantums that you are suggesting. So therefore, I would like the government to just give that assurance that you will continue talking with the trade unions and the workers' representatives, and whatever is required in mutual agreement, that you will do in the interest of the workers. And secondly, sir.
Okay, wait.
You please, next time onwards, I'd only request you. Sorry.
No, please.
But this is the third supplementary.
Yeah, I know that.
Third.
I know that.
Third.
I'm aware of that.
You are aware of it.
Yeah.
But in your experience, has it happened?
No.
No. Then you are aware of that also.
Yeah,
Neither in mine.
Yeah.
Neither in mine.
Yeah.
So, sir, second point. The text of the bill, sir, because it's the bonus for the workers, we are not.
We did fail in the last 3 weeks. The work, then you have to pass only through supplementary.
Supplement. Sir, okay. I don't want this government to become a supplementary government. That is my. Now, secondly, sir, the text of the bill, unfortunately, is still not available. What has been passed by the Lok Sabha? What is passed? We don't know. So we are going by good faith. We are going by good faith.
1,000. The limit for the bonus, and it is applicable with the year 14-15, retrospectively.
Retrospectively. Achha, that 21,000. There is an amendment here for 25,000.
Every 10 years it used to increase by 2,000 or 3,000. This is the largest ever increase in history.
No, we understand the finance minister's anxiety that this is happening before the budget. You want your fiscal consolidation. We understand all your anxieties. But there is an amendment, 2 amendments, asking for it to be raised to 25,000. They're not mine. It is Mr. Subirami Reddy. So these amendments are there that you decide between the two. But otherwise, I want to make my point.
Yes. कैसी त्यागी जी?
सर मैं बिल का सपोर्ट करने के लिए खड़ा हुआ हूं, और जो कॉमरेड सीताराम ने जो अपने व्यूज रखे हैं उससे मेरी सहमति है। लेकिन ये तीसरा सप्लीमेंट्री जो नेता सदन ने बताया है और भी अच्छा,
लेकिन वर्कर्स के लिए
सर और भी अच्छा हो सकता था, लेकिन चूंकि वर्किंग क्लास के लिए है, तो मैं अपनी पार्टी की तरफ से इसका समर्थन करता हूं।
Okay. Yeah. You are opposing it? Then sit down. If you are supporting, don't waste time.
I rise to support this.
Yeah. I know that. I know that.
It is good that leader of the House clarified. This shall be.
You are supporting, yes.
Have come into force.
Yeah, all are supporting. So,
sir.
Okay, that is enough.
Sir, as
you are supporting, you take your seat. Why wasting time?
Listen to me, sir. As suggested by Comrade Sitaram Yechuri, government should be with open mind. We revisit some of the questions in consultation with trade unions.
Okay. It is already 2:50. I would adjourn the House. But this is the bill for workers benefit. So let us pass it without discussion. All of you agree. Now, Sri Bandaru Dattacharya to move. Move for consideration. Move kar diya.
Yeah.
Okay. Motion moved. Any member desiring to speak may, motion moved. The question is that payment of bonus amendment bill 2015 as passed by Lok Sabha be taken into consideration. Those in favor please say aye.
Aye.
Those against please say no. I think the ayes have it. Motion is adopted. Clause 2 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment. Number 1 by Dr. T. Subbarami Reddy.
No, not there.
No there.
He has moved, sir.
Your amendment? No. Now, amendment not moved. Now, I shall now put clause 2 to vote. Those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 2 is adopted. Clause 3 stands part of the bill. There is one amendment. Number 2. Why? Sit down, please. Sit down. Number 2 by. No, at the last reading I will allow you. I will allow you at the last reading. Now, amendment. Subbarami Reddy is absent. No. No, Subbarami Reddy is not there, so amendment not moved. I shall now put clause 3 to vote. Clause 3 to vote. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 3 is adopted. Clause 4 stands part of the bill. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 4 is adopted. Clause 1, no, LOP has said is supporting. Supporting. Yeah. Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title and stand part of the bill. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title are adopted. Now the minister to move that the bill be passed.
Sir, I wish to move that amendment bill as amended be passed.
Yeah, please. Yes. Yes, you can speak.
నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను ఇది ఇప్పుడే
Actually, tell me.
Sorry.
What do you want? Tell me.
I'm sorry, I'm speaking to him in Telugu. I said, the Honorable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, the Finance Minister all agreed that let the Minister make this assurance that there will be an open mind to discuss with the representatives of the workers before asking for the bill to be moved.
Yeah. You have an open mind.
First of all,
You only say you agree to that or not. Don't say anything more.
sir, I am informing the House that in the interest of workers,
You have an open mind.
we have done with retrospect effect.
Okay.
We have done it retrospect
Do you know?
And
Open mind.
I have consulted all the trade unions and had a tripartite meetings, and that consensus only I have come here, sir.
Okay.
Bonus should not be treated. Bonus has always been a deferred payment. No, but in this bill, have you brought it? We have not seen the bill.
No, that is the definition. Actually, that is the definition of bonus. Don't worry.
Sir,
I can assure you, we'll be with open minds and we welcome with open arms
so you
all
have
the
not
trade
changed the
unions.
definition of
Yes.
bonus.
So, now Minister may move that the bill be passed. One second.
But the amendment bill as amended be passed.
I told him.
Okay. Motion moved that the bill be passed. Question is that the bill be passed.
पास करेंगे लेकिन इनकी बात तो सुन लीजिए
क्या है?
Listen to me. ट्रेड यूनियन लीडर है, मेरे बात तो सुन ले. बात सुनने में क्या दिक्कत है? What is the problem in just hearing? Just give him 1 minute.
Workmen. Now any workers, if any factory, there is a profit-making factory, they can get more bonus. Now they will cut it to a silly. Why they are trying to do this thing? So it will be dealing with the wages.
Okay.
It will be dangerous for the workers.
Yeah, your point. That
Let
is
him
great.
say. Sir, tell him.
Okay, Hussain Dalwai.
Let the minister say. Sir, let him say.
You ask for the assurance.
Hussain Dalwai.
Sir, say.
Okay, Bhattacharya, now you take you said your point. You said your point.
Sir, it has to be clarified and a categorical assurance given by the government.
No, it's okay now. Not now.
Sir.
Hussain Dalwai.
मेरा कहना है
Hussain Dalwai.
ऑनरेबल येचुरी ने जो मुद्दे कहे उससे वो बिल्कुल उन्होंने मान्य करने चाहिए. एक, ये गवर्नमेंट कभी भी यूनियन के लीडर्स के साथ बात करते ही नहीं ठीक से, और इस तरह से डिसीजन थाम लेते हैं. ये बिल्कुल गैर बात है. और मेरा कहना है अभी सैलरी लोगों की इतनी बढ़ गई है, इन्फ्लेशन बढ़ गया है,
तो ये जो गैप डिमांड और इन्होंने जो ऑफर किया है इसमें बहुत बड़ी ये फर्क है। मेरा कहना है कि ये लिमिट जो है कम से कम 30,000 तक लेके जाना चाहिए।
लिमिट इंक्रीज करना है सर। ओके, यू कंसिडर द सजेशन, you already said.
What?
No.
What Mr. Pradeep
You already made.
Please, sir, please, 1 minute. Sir, what Mr. Pradeep Bhattacharya raised is a very important point. The question is, that is why I requested the government to assure that they, with an open mind,
they said
will go on this. Do not fix the ceiling.
They said it.
Do not fix it.
May I just set the... Sir, may I just set the...
Rajesh, Bhattacharya, you already said. You already said.
May I just...
What you said is already on record. Sit down.
It is not on record, sir. Let the minister say what he wants.
Okay.
Let him say.
No.
He is avoiding this thing.
They want to increase the limit.
It is a dangerous
They
thing,
want
sir.
to, yes. Finance Minister,
Sir,
please.
may I just clarify?
Yeah.
So may I just
Okay,
clarify?
you sit down, sir. No, you said, no. Okay.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, I have to submit.
Yeah. Please.
Sorry,
Your
sir.
honorable lady member, please say.
Sorry, sir.
Boliye. Please say.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, I have to submit something.
Do that.
कि इसके पहले आपने बताया कि ये जो निर्मला सीतारमण जी ने जो WTO के बारे में लाया था वो है कि वो डिस्कशन हम करके ये इसको भी लिस्टेड हो या नहीं हो इसको खत्म कर देंगे। लेकिन फिर एक थर्ड एनलिस्टमेंट सप्लीमेंट्री आ गए। हमारा नहीं, हम भी ट्रेड यूनियन करते हैं, वर्कर्स की बारी है। इतना जल्दबाजी में ये हम ये शक नहीं करते लेकिन ये हो सकता कि कोई पॉइंट छूट जाए। बोनस इज अ वेरी सीरियस इश्यू, तो इसको लेकर इतना जल्दबाजी ना करने तो वो अच्छा होगा। ये एकदम ठीक नहीं है।
Are you opposing it? Are you supporting or opposing? Say that.
I don't know what is to be going on, so I am opposing.
Then, okay, all right, Mr. Minister, Finance Minister.
I want the discussion.
Finance, no, please.
ये कोई सूचना?
He has already said. How many times? He has already said. How many times? Yes, Finance Minister, please. Sit down. Finance Minister, please.
Put the whole controversy to rest. There are only two significant changes. The first is it's a 2015 Act because we are passing it in the month of December 2015. But by a deeming provision, it will come into effect from 1st April 2014 so that the expanded definition of bonus is retrospectively applicable for the year 14-15. Then wherever numericals have existed, earlier the ceiling was rupees 10,000 in section 2 of the Principal Act. That ceiling of 10,000 has become 21,000 and...
Now please,
please oppose this bill then. Please oppose this bill.
No.
Let us not be hypocritical.
No,
you did not increase the limit in 10 years. We are increasing it from 10,000 to 21,000.
Now please. Sir,
this is the amendment in the bill. You please have a look at it. There is no change in the definition of bonus at all.
No change in definition. HUD, no change in definition. Now, motion already moved that the bill be passed. Already moved, isn't it? Already moved. Yes, motion moved that the bill be passed. Question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the bill is passed. Special mention to lay on the table. Sri C.P. Narayanan, no. Sri Abdul Wahab, P.L. Punia, lay on the table, please. Now, then Sri Sanjay Raut, T. Subramanian Reddy, no. Sri Ahmad Hassan, please lay on the table. D.K. Keshava Rao, lay on the table. Sri Vivek Gupta, no, छोड़ो नहीं है तो छोड़ो. Sri Bhupender Singh. Please lay on the table.
Polavaram, sir, let the honorable leader of the house say, calling attention नहीं आया, तो कम से कम
next session.
राज्य से बात नहीं करते,
All will
प्रोग्रेस नहीं होगा काम में। और सर गवर्नर अरुणाचल प्रदेश के ऊपर, चेयरमैन सर मैं आपको धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
Please sit down now.
किया है सर, आपने हमारा नोटिस एडमिट किया है, लेकिन सरकार को तय करना है कि अरुणाचल में जो हुआ, उसके बारे में चर्चा कब करेंगे?
Thank you very much. That's all.
दूसरे सदस्य इसके लिए सरकार को टाइम चेक करना था।
Please sit down. Please sit down. Honorable members, please sit down.
You have admitted, sir. It has come in the bulletin.
Please.
So, sir, we have the right to, sir, mention. You have, sir.
Please,
kind
now.
enough. Chairman,
Not
sir,
at this
thank you
time.
very much.
Not at this time.
Thank you, sir, that you have admitted our motion, and that motion you have admitted.
Please.
But government is to say.
Could you please sit down?